Good morning to all of you. Now we are going to discuss about discrete random variable. This topic include in the second unit of the paper Mathematics 3 DSC 202. Before discussing discrete random variable, you have to know about random variable. Suppose take an example. Consider tossing a coin in 2 times. Then we get the sample space like this one: TT, TH, HT and HH. Suppose we are consider the probability of number of heads for this sample space. Then for the first event, that is TT, probability is 0, and for the second one, that is TH, probability is 1 by 4. Similarly, for the third event HT, the probability is 1 by 4, and for the last one, probability is what? 2 by 4. Here notice that S, value of S takes different values, and sum of the all probabilities is 1. Here S is called a random variable, and therefore we can define random variable like as: if a variable takes different values with some probabilities, and if the sum of all probabilities is unity, then the variable is called a random variable. The random variable may be discrete or continuous. Alternately, we can define random variable like as: a random variable is a function that assigns a real number to each outcome in the sample space of a random experiment. These examples can be illustrated graphically like this one. Suppose here see that sample space is what? HH, TH, HT, TH and TT. For HH, number of H is 2. For HT, number of H is 1. For TH also, number of H is 1. And for TT, number of H is 0. Here see that if we consider the variable is x, then it takes the value 0, 1 and 2. For 0, the probability is what? 1 by 4. 1 by 4. And for 1 also, this one, that means probability of getting head, this one is 2 by 4, and for 2, this one is 1 by 4. Here notice that sum of the probabilities for this event is what? 1. Therefore, x is called a random variable. Next, let me define discrete random variable. A discrete random variable is a variable which can only take on a countable number of values. Countable number means it may be finite numbers or countably infinite numbers. Suppose for example, number of telephone calls received per day is an example of discrete random variable. Similarly, number of mistakes in a page is also an example of discrete random variable. And suppose these are some examples of discrete random variables. Suppose flipping a coin twice, the random variable. A number of heads, this is belongs to 0, 1 and 2 is also a discrete random variable. Next, this next one is continuous random variable. A continuous random variable is a random variable with an interval, either finite or infinite. That is, interval may be finite or infinite, of real numbers for its range. For example, time of reaction, electrical current, weight, these are some examples of continuous random variable. And next, let me define probability distribution. A probability distribution of a random variable x is a description of the probabilities associated with the possible values of x. For example, see that a number of heads when a coin is flipped twice. Number of heads is what? 0. That means for TT, for the event TT, number of heads is 0. For TH and HT, number of heads is 1. For HH, number of heads is 2. And it was in all cases probability is like as 1 by 4, 2 by 4 and 1 by 4. Probability distributions for discrete random variable are often given as a table or a function of x. Suppose if we define the function like as 1 by x into 4, 1 by 10 into x, for x belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4, then probability of this value 1 2 3 4 is this one. For 1 it will be 0.1, that is f of x is what, 1 by 10 into x, therefore it will be 0.1, and for 2 it will be 0.2, 0.3 and 0.4. Next, take an example. There is a chance that a bit transmitted through a digital transmission channel is received in error. Let x equal the number of bits in error in the next 4 bits transmitted. The possible values for x are this one, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Because we are consider the error, the x equals the number of bits in error in the next 4 bits. Therefore x takes the value 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Suppose we consider the probability is this one. For 0 it will be 0.6561. Actually these are we consider. For 1 probability is suppose 0.2916 and so on. And graphically we can show this like that. Suppose in the vertical line x takes the value which one is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and in the vertical line it represents the probability of x for different values. For suppose 0 it will be this one and so on. And here notice that the sum of the probabilities for different values of x is 1, is equals to 1. Therefore x is a random variable and this one is a probability distribution function, because here sum of the all probabilities is 1, therefore this is a probability distribution function. Next, let me define probability mass function. Suppose for a discrete random variable x with possible values x1, x2, x3 and so on, a probability mass function f of xi is a function such that it satisfies these 3 conditions. First one is f of xi always greater than equals to 0. This f of xi is always positive, this is non-negative, and summation of f of xi is always 1. This summation of all probabilities must be 1, and f of xi is what? P of probability of x equals to xi. Suppose take the previous examples, that is for the transmitted bit example, f of 0 is this one, 0.6561, and f of 1 is this one, and these are considered from the previous example. Here notice that summation of f of xi is 1. Summation of f of xi is 1, therefore f of x is what? F of xi is a probability mass function. The probability distribution for a discrete random variable is described with a probability mass function. And probability distribution for continuous random variable we use different terminology. Always remember that probability distribution for discrete random variable is described with a probability mass function. Probability mass function is what? If f of xi is called a probability mass function for the random variable x. X means with possible values x1, x2, x3, which satisfies these 3 conditions. Always remember that summation of f of xi is always 1. It must be 1. Then we say that f of xi is a probability mass function. For example, we can consider the previous example, that is transmitted bit example. Here f of xi is a probability mass function. Thank you.